So today is Mother's Day in 2020, which means that it is entirely different than every other Mother's Day in the world. And me and Joseph are currently in Charlotte right now because my car registration is expiring and I needed to come get it inspected, which is why we're here. But we came the weekend of Mother's Day, so we can see our families and everything during the holiday. My family is already out in the streets a lot, so it's like a little bit lower risk to see them for me, just because I'm not exposing them to any crazy germs that they haven't already been. Joseph is keeping a pretty far distance away from his family because they don't go anywhere and they're also at higher risk than my family is. So that's our day today. We're gonna drop off flowers to my grandparents, my aunt, my mom's friend, social distancing the entire time, of course. And then I'm just gonna hang out with my family. My hair looks a little bit different right now. It's a little bit jacked up, I have to say. So me and my mom tried to recreate this look from Symphony Soto. I loved the look when she did it. She made it seem super simple, just like these really easy twists that just went all the way down. Her mom did it super simple. So I went out, I bought the gel that she used, I bought the hair that she used, and I was like, Mommy, we need to do this. We need to figure this out. And so my mom helped me with it. It was a struggle, not even gonna lie. So they came out like a little bit crunchy. I had to go to sleep before they completely dried. So some of them dried like a little bit wonky-ish. But I don't think it looks too bad. It does look a little bit crusty. Some of them are longer than others. You can't really see it right now, but hold on. Like, as you can see, the ones in the front, especially, this is the very first one we did, it's a lot longer. But some of them are longer than others because when you're like pulling the hair to twist it, my mom would pull some of them to twist it so the hair stretched out, and then some of them she didn't, so the hair is a lot shorter. So, you know, it's fine. But I still think it looks okay. I think it's like cuter if you focus up top. If you focus just on my face, it's a good look.
Oh my gosh! Chipotle! Chipotle! I want Chipotle now! I'm really creepy for Chipotle. I'm a fried chicken.
I don't even know what I look like.
You look crazy.
Thanks.
Whoa!
Insane. I'm just trying not to get my hair wet. That's all.
And you did it right from the start.
Failure! Oh my god, don't I look crazy? You actually don't look that crazy. I look that crazy? Ah! You can hear words?
Yeah.
What? Get out! Chris Birkin, on this Mother's Day, what do you want to say to your wife that you love so much?
You look crazy in the mask and the...
And with shorts on.
Jordan, please. What do you want to say to Mommy on Mother's Day?
Thank you for all you do.
What do you want to say to Mommy on Mother's Day?
Happy Mother's Day.
Okay, but like, how much do you love your mommy?
Huh?
How do you love your mommy?
You have to talk louder and you'll be able to hear it over the music.
Oh. How much do you love me?
None.
Why can I hold the Charlie, how much do you love mommy? Charlie, come back! Charlie, come back!
I love you like 4% most of the time. I at least love you like 5.
I at least love you like 10. I love you at least 10%.
It's a good thing I love myself 100% because these damn kids, I can't even get to 12%.
Happy Mother's Day to all mothers, especially my mother.
But you
It's Saturday at 6 p.m. and I'm about to do my first Zoom exercise class. So there is a Instagram choreographer. Well, she's not an Instagram choreographer. She's a choreographer on Instagram who is doing Zoom classes if it will literally ever launch. I'm already late. It's 6 p.m. and I'm not there. But so she's doing these like online heels classes. So I bought one today. It's about $15 and we're gonna see how it goes. So my living room is set up in this really like kind of ratchet setup. So here's me in this little mirror with my little heels. I also have this mirror, but then there's all this crap and I basically just pushed this rug aside. So I have some space. So I'm pretty excited for it. I literally just have like these little baby heels because I'm not a big heels person, and a lot of them have like that rough bottom so you don't slide, but I think sliding is actually probably kind of good for this. So yeah, we'll see. Let me try to get it to work before I'm like super late for this class.
Right, so right now I'm gonna face you, but you're gonna start facing the front. You got this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Push 8 to go. 1, a 2, up 3, a 4, and push. Ball change. Down, down. Right, left step. Up, down, and right, left. Open, bang. Tonight I'm a click, click, push. Right foot and a tick, tick, swip, and a boom. Hey, up and up. Gigi, 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 bada, dee, dee, da. Bang, bang. Woo! Music! You got this. Don't even think about it. Just listen to the music and go. Here we go. 5, 6, and 7. Push 8. 1, 2, up, push. Boom, up, boom. To top, down, and down. Right, left step. Up, down. Click down, make it up. Right, left, open, bang. Tonight, click, pick, pick, boom. Foot and top, top. Click together, push. Right foot up and dee, down together, down, bang, bang. Step up, scoop, 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 push, push. Roll and a roll and a up, down, lift and go, boom, pop, pop, push and turn, turn, down. 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8. You have it. You just stopped. You literally know the step. You blank for like 1, but don't let that even deter you from what you know. You know what I mean? Like even if you know nothing, something. You know how many jobs I've booked by auditioning and not remembering the steps, but just did whatever the fuck I wanted to do sometimes, and they just appreciate it. And then when they call me for the callback, I do the right steps. But you know, because sometimes your brain just goes. It's okay. You got this. You ready?
It was hard.
Yeah?
That was really hard.
How
It was super hard. So,
You're a little sweaty.
I know.
Sweaty boy.
I know. It was so hard.
Good.
So, the class was super hard. It said intermediate advanced on the thing, and I was like, I got it. I've seen it enough
I'm
times.
like a low intermediate. Is that what you thought?
I was like, if I've seen the choreography, I could do it. It's fine. It's whatever. It wasn't. It wasn't. I ended up getting it. Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I haven't watched it back yet, so we'll see. Like, I don't think there was one time where I like fully remembered the whole thing. Like, I would just forget like bits and pieces of it. But like, are we surprised? No, because I forget like strolls and all choreography at all times. So it was really hard, but it was like, I'm glad I actually decided to sign on because it was a Zoom class and not like a pre-recorded thing. Yeah, so everyone was on the screen and everything, so I was watching her for most of the time, but then she like split us up into groups and stuff, so then I was watching the other groups. But it was still really fun. My feet hurt a lot.
Yeah.
Before I did it, I realized, I was like, I don't have any like good heel shoes. Yeah.
Oh, that was why I heard the little clink clink.
Yeah, so I was just like clink 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 all over the place. Yeah. Yeah.
Wow.
I'm glad I did it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm glad I did it. It was good.
Yeah, it was.
How was your time? So he was playing video games while I was... What time did you get off? Because you were ready for me when I...
I was playing a few minutes ago.
Oh, that was a good time.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm glad I did it. I think I'm going to do more
Good.
classes. I think I'm finally going to go back to Vixen. I just wasn't ready
Yeah.
for 2 months to do it online. Something was just so sad about it. Like, something so sad about taking a dance class online.
So I think it's also
like by
because you've done
yourself.
it before in person.
And I know what the feeling is to do it in person.
Definitely
yeah.
do it, though.
So Vixen is a dance class that I would do like every single week without fail. And basically, I would go every single week, no matter what the location was. I would
you
still
didn't
go.
actually describe what it was. You said it's a dance class that I do every day, every week. That's the description.
It's like a dance fitness sort of thing, but like a Zumba with more choreography to more fun songs. So basically, it's a better Zumba, is what I'm saying. So Zumba's cool.
Wow.
But oftentimes Zumba is more like exercise dance, not necessarily like dance. Yeah, it's like a jazzercisey sort of thing. It's not like dancey dance.
Yeah.
So, yes. So I used to do Vixen every single week, and so now my instructor still does it online, but I just didn't do it for like ever since we've been in quarantine because I was like, this is just so depressing. And then I like never feel like in the mood to do it when the time comes. But I think now I'm just gonna say like, Joel, get over yourself and just do it because it was good and it's good exercise. Because like going to dance classes was pretty much my only exercise pre-quarantine, and it was working. Like I was like really slimming out, but I'm not right now because I haven't done any exercise pretty much for 2 months. But if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye! So we just made the dough. There's the dough. Checkpoint 2 complete.
Checkpoint 2?
What am I getting?
What's checkpoint 3?
Checkpoint 1, oh, checkpoint 3 is putting them in the oven.
And what? Parchment.
Oh, I thought that it was something bigger than that. What's
No.
checkpoint 4?
Do we have
Eating
cookie
them.
sheets?
Oh, we make our cookies. So we did it all.
No, we're at
Oh, the metal.
checkpoint 2.
You're finished with checkpoint 2.
Yes, we're at checkpoint 2. Now our next checkpoint is checkpoint 3.
Is that once it hits the
Yeah.
oven,
Then
it's
we've hit
checkpoint
the
3?
checkpoint. That's what a checkpoint is. Once you've hit it.